The Perky Pet 9111 SR Cactus Top Fill Glass Hummingbird Feeder is a remarkable addition to any bird lover's backyard. Crafted by Perky Pet, a trusted brand in bird feeders, this feeder is specifically designed to attract and nourish hummingbirds. Made from high-quality glass, this feeder not only provides a sturdy construction, but also adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. The unique cactus-shaped design adds a fun and decorative element that will surely catch the eye of both humans and hummingbirds alike. One of the standout features of this feeder is its top-fill design, making it incredibly easy to refill without the hassle of disassembling the entire unit. This convenience factor is a game-changer for bird enthusiasts who want to spend more time enjoying their feathered friends and less time maintaining their feeder. The Perky Pet 9111 SR Cactus Feeder is specifically tailored to cater to hummingbirds, offering them a reliable source of nectar. The flexibility.
I recently had the pleasure of trying out the Perky Pet 209B1SR, our best glass hummingbird feeder. And I must say it exceeded my expectations. As a product marketing expert with a keen eye for detail, I was impressed by the thoughtfulness and functionality of this feeder. One aspect that stood out to me is the choice of material: glass. Not only does it add a touch of elegance to the feeder, but it is also durable and easy to clean, ensuring that it will last for a long time. The glass construction also makes it easy to monitor the nectar levels, so you can refill it promptly and keep your hummingbird visitors happy. Another feature that I found particularly innovative is the built-in ant moat. This addition is a game-changer, as it helps prevent those pesky ants from reaching the nectar, ensuring that the hummingbirds are the only ones enjoying the sweet treat. It shows that Perky Pet has taken the time to consider the needs of both the birds and the users of the feeder.
The Perky Pet 203 CPBN2 Pinch Waist Glass Hummingbird Feeder by Perky Pet is a well-crafted feeder designed specifically for attracting and feeding hummingbirds. Made from durable glass, this feeder not only enhances the beauty of your outdoor space, but also provides a reliable feeding station for these delicate creatures. One of the standout features of this hummingbird feeder is its built-in ant moat, which helps prevent unwanted pests from accessing the nectar. This thoughtful design element ensures that the hummingbirds have access to clean, uncontaminated food at all times, promoting their health and well-being. The pinch waist design of the feeder makes it not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, as it provides hummingbirds with easy access to the nectar. The transparent glass construction allows you to monitor the nectar levels easily, enabling timely refills to ensure that the hummingbirds always have a fresh supply of food. Ideal for use in gardens, patios.
The More Birds Bird Health Plus Ruby Hummingbird Feeder is a high-quality product designed specifically for attracting and nourishing hummingbirds. Built by More Birds, a reputable brand known for its dedication to bird health and well-being, this feeder is a must-have for bird enthusiasts of all levels. Crafted from a combination of glass and plastic materials, this feeder is not only durable, but also provides a clear view of the contents, making it easy to monitor and refill as needed. The ruby color is attractive to hummingbirds and adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. One of the standout features of this feeder is the built-in ant moat. This innovative addition helps prevent ants from accessing the nectar, ensuring that your feathered friends can enjoy a safe and clean feeding environment. This thoughtful design element sets the More Birds Bird Health Plus Ruby Hummingbird Feeder apart from other similar products on the market.
If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Nature's Way Bird Products, MJF1 Nature's Way. Mason Jar Hummingbird Dish Feeder is a top-quality feeder designed by Nature's Way to provide a functional and aesthetically pleasing option for attracting hummingbirds to your outdoor space. Crafted from durable glass, this feeder is built to last and can withstand various weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for bird enthusiasts. The mason jar design adds a charming touch to any garden or backyard, enhancing the overall look of your outdoor area, specifically targeting hummingbirds. This feeder is a great way to attract these beautiful creatures to your yard. The dish design allows for easy access to water, ensuring that hummingbirds can stay hydrated throughout the day. The flexibility of the feeder makes it easy to clean and refill, providing convenience for users. Whether you are a seasoned bird watcher or someone looking to bring more wildlife into your garden, Nature's Way Mason Jar Hummingbird Dish Feeder is a fantastic